Yeah, I'm Bonnie Maxwell, and I'm going to toilet train your pet today. Oh boy, that's going to be a messy job when I get home today. Yeah, just kidding. I'm going to show you how to do a shower cap dance today. No, I'm just kidding. I'm going to tell you how you can take a better shower in the morning and the afternoon, okay? Okay. So, I'm going to go shopping. This is my shower. So I'm in the bathroom. Shower. Bathroom. Shower. Bathroom. Okay. Just getting that straight. That's the bathroom. I'm in the shower. And after all those reviews, I have a shower cap to protect my curls. But I don't know how you do it. But this is how I do it. So then, you don't need a shower cap. You just need love. Okay, now I'm in the shower, closing the door. I think you can still see me, right? Okay, now we put on the shower faucet. Now shower's coming on me. Rain's coming on me. Water is spraying on me. Now, oh yeah, I forgot to take off my clothes. Don't look. Okay, I'm in the shower. I can't breathe. The shower cap is suffocating me. Okay, so then you get all moist and stuff around your body. And then you take out some shampoo. Then you'll scrub your hair. Oh yeah, I don't have any hair. I'm scrubbing it big. Okay, we don't do any hair products. We just do skin and moist products, okay? Can you hear me? Okay, now we take the soap and scrub it all on us. Then you get it all off you, and then you're all clean. Well, that was too amazing for my intelligent brain to understand any of that. You see, my hair is not even a sparkle wet. Now, I hope you have a good shower now that you know how to shower better with Maxwell. I just might need a pooper scooper for this one.